Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple ways on how to recover not recover deleted videos, but why your TikTok videos may be getting deleted. Now, I don't even remember having 800 followers on TikTok, so if you want to follow me, go for it. But one of the most common ways I've been seeing people actually get their videos deleted from TikTok is if they go against TikTok's terms and services. So what does this mean? Well, essentially, if you're posting videos on TikTok that are against terms of services pretty much from any website. So if you're posting like lewd things, if you're posting a lot of hate type of TikTok videos, or even if some videos are of like fights and those types of things, I've even seen some videos about drama, some videos people covering drama and this and that. I've seen some of those videos being taken down from TikTok as well. So in my opinion, the easiest way to go ahead and actually make sure your videos don't get taken off from TikTok is if they don't go against their terms of services. So like I mentioned, those types of things are just some examples. I would recommend reading their terms of service too, because it's a great way to make sure you don't get flagged and you don't get your account banned from TikTok. Because I can tell you from firsthand experience, not necessarily on TikTok, but on YouTube and all these other platforms, if you start getting your videos deleted and videos, kind of like, hey, we had to take this video down or whatever from TikTok, they could potentially take your whole account down on TikTok. So getting a video taken down here and there is not a crazy big deal, but you do not want to get your account suspended. So that's the first thing. Now, let's say you went ahead and TikTok, for some reason is still deleting your videos and you don't know what happened. Well, or maybe your videos aren't being shown to anybody or whatever the case is. Like if you go on a different account, you want to make sure the videos that you're posting are actually visible and public to other people. So a great way to test this is to go ahead and click the plus button down here to make it like you're making a TikTok. You can go ahead and make a whatever type of video TikTok, it doesn't matter. You want to go and click this check mark button right here, and then you want to go and click on next. Now when you do this, where it says who can watch this video, if that for you says nobody, or it says, private or only me like this, then that may mean that all the videos that you've been posting on TikTok have actually just been for only you, and you haven't really published the videos for everyone. So you want to go ahead and you make sure that these videos are being shown by everyone, because if you can see the video and somebody else can't see the video, well, that's the number one way to go and fix that. And those are pretty much the main ways to go ahead and kind of understand why your videos are pretty much being taken down from TikTok. So the only way to fix this is to pretty much stop posting videos that are against their terms of services. But like I mentioned, there are so many cases where people post, good videos that have nothing to do against their terms of services, but they still get taken down. So if that's the case, I would recommend contacting TikTok and letting them take a look and seeing what they can do from there. So that's pretty much it. There's many ways to fix this. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.